Today we're going to take the Jiffy Corn Muffin Mix and we're going to make it a little bit more plant-based friendly. So we're going to take the corn mix and just know we're going to substitute the egg for apple sauce unsweetened. And we're going to also use plant-based milk instead of regular milk. You're going to need 1/3 of a cup of milk. And this is optional to use. You can add additional sugar. We're going to use a little bit of cane sugar. So we're going to get a bowl and a strainer, and we're going to get our corn mix, and we're going to empty it and strain it just to get rid of some of the lumps, like so. There you go. Just know that the Jiffy mix does include animal lard, and that's not indicative of a vegan diet. This is more for somebody that's making the transition and they still have things like this in their pantry. You can try this as well with a mix that is cruelty free and plant-based friendly, that doesn't have any animal byproducts. As you can see, by straining it, we get some lumps, and that's what we're trying to avoid. We're trying for our mix to be free of lumps. So that's why we use the strainer. So you just smash it with a spoon like so, and then you pass it through. So you move it, mix it, and you continue to tap it, just like that. And you're gonna continue to do that process until you complete everything you have. All the mixture has gone through the strainer to the very last bit. There you go. A little bit more, that's it. So then we're gonna get there. You have our mixture is free of lumps, just like we like it. So now we're gonna get our unsweetened apple sauce. There you go. And we're just gonna add that to the mixture, as well as our 1/3 a cup of milk. So everything has been added. Didn't include it in the video, just wanted kind of you to see. So we're just gonna add a bit of the milk just so you can see, but we already added all of our wet ingredients to the dry ingredients except for the sugar. And this is optional. You can do 2 to 3 tablespoons or teaspoons, depend of your choice, or you can just omit it all together. If you want a sweeter cornbread, then you can do that. You can do brown sugar or you can do cane sugar. We opted to do cane sugar, and we did 2 tablespoons. And then you mix it in. There's really no science to it. You just mix all your ingredients together, and just like that. Perfect. And just know that the apple sauce is an emulsifier, so that's what's gonna bind, substituting your egg. Now we're gonna take a extra virgin olive oil to coat our bowl or our pan or our dish where you want to bake your baking dish. And yeah, I'm using my fingers. I didn't have any paper towel, but my hands are cleaned. So we're just gonna add a little bit more because we want to get it very nicely coated to make sure that nothing sticks, okay? Just like that. Make sure we get everything. I think we got it. One more. There you go. And make sure to remove all your jewelry when you're working in the kitchen. I think that's very important. I see a lot of people using their jewelry. I think it looks great. Everything is coated. And we are ready to set our time. So we're going to set our oven. We're going to preheat our oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. There you go. And then we're going to set a time between 25 to 30 minutes. So we're going to set it at 26, give or take, and then we'll take a look at it and see if we need additional time. So now we're going to go and we are going to take our mixture and pour it into our baking dish. Make sure we grab everything. So try to scoop every single last drop of your mixture onto your baking dish. one more go around. Let's see, scoop it again. I think we got a little bit more. There you go. One more. I think we got it. So then make sure that we spread that all around through our baking dish, like so, with a spoon. It's a very smooth mixture by using applesauce as an emulsifier, and that is substituting the egg. We shake it a little bit just like that to make sure that we get a nice flushed surface, no lumps. And then we go ahead and we put our cornbread in the oven, and then we make sure it's in there, close the door, and now we just wait. And voila, we did the fork test. Everything looks good. Doesn't that look amazing? And it had a clear fork, so it's ready. So we let it cool a little bit. Just take a look at it, and now we did the transfer, a nice easy transfer. You see no sticking on the pan, so it's I would recommend that you coat your baking dish so you get nice crispy edges just like that, and you guys a nice even baked cornbread. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy.